So, Festool is striking again with a powerful new lineup bringing exactly the tools many of you have been waiting for. From carpenters to cabinet makers, these cordless machines are built to give you more freedom, more power, and more precision on every cut, joint, and edge you touch. Let's break down each one so you can decide which deserves a spot in your workshop next. Let's start with the Festool HLC82 cordless planer, a tool that instantly makes surface preparation a whole lot easier. Designed with a brushless EC-Tech motor and powered by Festool's 18-volt battery platform, this planer delivers smooth, consistent results across a variety of materials. With a cutting width of 82 millimeters, an adjustable depth of up to 2.5 millimeters, and a rebate depth of 25 millimeters, it handles anything from trimming doors and beams to detailed chamfers with absolute ease. The spiral cutter head reduces noise while giving you a fine surface finish, and the dual-side extraction system means you can keep dust under control no matter which side you're working from. Weighing in at just under 3 kilograms, it's lightweight, ergonomic, and features a rapid safety brake that stops the blade in less than 2 seconds. This tool really sets the tone for Festool's latest lineup: mobile, powerful, and built for precision. Once your surfaces are planed and ready, the next step is building those rock-solid connections, and that's where the DOMINO DF500R and the Cordless DFC500 come into play. These joining machines are engineered for creating perfect mortise and tenon-style joints in a fraction of the time. The Cordless DFC500 brings complete mobility with the 18-volt battery system, while the DF500R offers the same level of accuracy with mains power. Both models use Festool's unique oscillating cutting action to deliver precise mortises for dowels ranging from 4 by 20 millimeters up to 10 by 50 millimeters. With built-in stop pins, a double column guide, and simple angle adjustments, setting up repeatable joints has never been easier. Whether you're assembling frames, furniture, or cabinetry, these joining machines guarantee durable, precise connections that hold up under pressure. When paired with the HLC82, they keep your project moving smoothly from flat surface prep to solid joinery. Of course, no woodworking lineup feels complete without a dependable circular saw, and Festool delivers with the HKC 55K cordless circular saw. Compact, lightweight, and designed for both the workshop and the job site, this saw makes quick, accurate cuts through sheet goods and timber alike. Its brushless motor paired with the 18-volt system ensures plenty of runtime and power, while the guide rail compatibility means you can achieve perfectly straight cuts without breaking a sweat. The saw features a cutting depth of up to 55 millimeters, making it versatile enough for cross cuts, rip cuts, and even angled work. Safety is another highlight with Festool's unique kickback stop technology, which prevents the blade from climbing or jerking back during a cut. This saw doesn't just stand on its own, it ties directly into your workflow after joinery or before routing, making sure every board is cut to size with clean, sharp precision. Now, before we talk about the next tool, here's a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, JLCMC. If you work with electronics, robotics, or anything in industrial automation, you need to check out JLCMC.com. It's a global mechatronic components marketplace that brings together all kinds of high-quality parts, from linear guides and hardware to aluminum profiles, all in one place. What makes JLCMC special? Fast delivery, industrial-grade quality, and prices that are way cheaper than most platforms or retail stores. They even offer free 3D model downloads so you can preview and fit products to your project before ordering. Just go, browse a few products, and you'll be surprised at the savings. And here's the best part. New users get $70 worth of coupons just for signing up, plus access to monthly deals. So, if you're an engineer, manufacturer, or even just a curious DIYer, JLCMC is the place to get your components without breaking the bank. Hit the link in the description below and start building smarter. When it's time to add fine detail and polished finishes, the Festool Cordless Edge Router OFKC 500 steps in. Designed for edge profiling, flush trimming, and light routing tasks, this compact tool offers remarkable balance and control. The depth adjustment system allows changes as fine as 1/10 of a millimeter, giving you absolute accuracy for delicate edge work. Despite its small size, the EC-Tech motor packs plenty of power, and with cordless operation, you're free to move around large workpieces without hassle. A specially designed vase plate minimizes tilting, and quick cutter changes make switching between profiles fast and efficient. It's the kind of tool you'll grab constantly, whether you're finishing off shelves, trimming laminate, or adding a subtle radius to an edge. And since it integrates seamlessly with Festool's dust extraction, it keeps cleanup minimal, so you can stay focused on detail work. For even more versatility, Festool introduces the MFKC 700 Cordless Modular Edge Router, which takes routing to a whole new level. What sets it apart is its modular base system. You can quickly switch between different router tables and attachments without tools, making it incredibly flexible for tasks like rebating, grooving, and profiling. It shares the same precision depth adjustment system as the OFKC 500, but with more power and capacity for bigger tasks. Thanks to its ergonomic design, it stays comfortable during extended use, and of course, it connects directly to the Festool's dust extractors for clean operation. This router is ideal for anyone who needs one tool that can handle multiple edge routing applications while still staying lightweight and portable. It fits perfectly between the precision of the OFKC 500 and the specialized work of the MFKC 700KA. And if your work involves edge banding, the MFKC 700KA is the dedicated tool you'll want at your side. Designed to pair with Festool's Conturo KA65, this cordless module edge router is optimized for trimming and finishing edge bands with professional results. It comes with a raised support base that makes it easier to handle overhanging edges, while a chip catcher ensures clean operation even during heavy trimming. The router is capable of handling both straight and beveled edges up to 45 degrees, giving you the freedom to create flawless furniture pieces without tedious hand finishing. When used together with the rest of Festool's routing lineup, the MFKC 700KA completes the circle, delivering professional-level finishes that are ready for showcase. Of course, all of these tools are only as enjoyable as the workspace they leave behind, and that's where the Festool CT MIDI XL Mobile Dust Extractor shines. Compact yet powerful, this extractor is built with a 1200-watt motor and an impressive suction capacity of 3,700 liters per minute. What makes it even better is the automatic filter cleaning system, AutoClean, which ensures suction performance stays consistent even during long sanding or routing sessions. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can control the extractor wirelessly from your cordless tools, and its compact design makes it easy to transport between the workshop and the job site. It's the final piece of the puzzle in Festool's cordless ecosystem, keeping your space clean, your tools performing at their best, and your health protected while you work. Well, we can't overlook the Festool ExoActive Exoskeleton, which isn't a power tool in a traditional sense, but a wearable assist device designed to reduce strain during overhead work. Whether you're sanding ceilings, installing panels, or painting, the ExoActive actively supports your arms and shoulders, significantly lowering fatigue and protecting your body during repetitive overhead tasks. It's lightweight, adjustable, and built to move naturally with you, making it comfortable enough to wear for extended periods. While the tools handle the precision, this exoskeleton handles your endurance, helping you work longer without the aches and pains that usually come with demanding jobs. Rounding things out is the Festool ETSC 125 and 150 cordless eccentric sanders, designed for finishing surfaces with the same freedom and mobility as the rest of the cordless lineup. Both models are compact, ergonomically designed, and powered by the 18-volt battery platform. They deliver fine, swirl-free finishes and have variable speed control to adapt to different surfaces. With a compact form factor, they fit comfortably in one hand, making them perfect for edges, corners, or flat surfaces. And since they integrate with Festool's dust extractors, you can achieve a flawless surface without the mess. After planing, joining, routing, and edge banding, these sanders provide the perfect finishing touch, bringing the whole workflow full circle.
Festool isn't stopping at tools either. They're now offering free 3D printing files with practical add-ons for your Festool Tools and upcycling projects, available directly through their printables profile. It's a nice touch, giving you the chance to customize and improve your workflow with printable accessories. And Festool encourages you to share your ideas for new models in the comments.
And there you have it, Festool's powerhouse lineup ready to level up your workflow without the hassle of cords, without losing an ounce of power, and with precision you can feel on every cut and edge. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which of these Festool tools you're most excited to try first. Until next time, keep building and stay safe out there.